This is the HP Smart Tank 7301 Wireless all-in-one ink tank printer with scanner and copier, bundled with up to 2 years of ink and built for users who want to move away from traditional cartridge-based printing systems. The core idea behind this device is simple but important: reduce long-term printing costs while keeping everyday performance reliable enough for home offices, students, and small businesses that print regularly. At first glance, the design immediately signals functionality over flash. There is nothing overly compact or decorative here. Instead, you get a practical office-focused printer with a visible ink tank system positioned on the front that makes monitoring ink levels very straightforward. Setup is surprisingly modern compared to older printers. Instead of complicated driver installs and cable-dependent configuration, the wireless setup process allows connection through mobile devices or computers with a guided flow that feels closer to setting up a smart device than traditional hardware. Once connected, the printer integrates into your workflow in a way that feels seamless. Wireless printing from phones, laptops, and cloud services works without unnecessary friction, which is something many printers still struggle with even today. The refillable ink tank system is where this product really defines itself. Instead of replacing expensive cartridges, you refill ink from bottles designed to minimize spills and waste. This approach significantly lowers cost per page, which is one of the strongest arguments in favor of this printer. Included ink that can last up to 2 years, depending on usage, is a major value factor, especially for users who print documents frequently but do not want the recurring cost pressure that comes with cartridge-based systems. When it comes to print quality, the focus here is clearly document performance. Text output is sharp, clean, and consistent, making it suitable for reports, assignments, invoices, and everyday office printing tasks. Color printing is decent but not positioned for high-end photo work, while images come out balanced and usable. The tuning clearly prioritizes clarity and efficiency over professional-level photographic detail. Scanning performance is practical and reliable. It handles documents smoothly and pairs well with mobile scanning features through the companion app, which adds convenience for users who want quick digitization without sitting at a desktop setup. Copy functions are equally straightforward, making it useful for everyday office needs like duplicating documents, forms, and school material without requiring additional software or complex steps. One of the strongest aspects of this printer is how it fits into a wireless ecosystem. Once connected, it supports printing from multiple devices and cloud platforms, which makes it feel like part of a connected workspace rather than a standalone machine. From a cost perspective, this is where the ink tank system delivers its biggest advantage. Traditional cartridge printers often become expensive over time, especially for high-volume users, but this model drastically reduces long-term ink expenses, which can make a noticeable difference over months and years of use. Of course, it is not designed to compete with high-speed office laser printers, so if your workload involves heavy bulk printing every day, this may not be the fastest option available. However, for home users, remote workers, and small office environments, it strikes a very practical balance between cost efficiency, usability, and consistent performance. The build quality is solid and functional. It is mostly plastic but feels durable enough for long-term placement in a home office setup without feeling fragile or overly lightweight. What stands out most is that this printer is not trying to be exciting, it is trying to be economical, reliable, and predictable, and in a category where ongoing costs matter more than initial price. That approach makes a lot of sense. For anyone who prints regularly and wants to eliminate the stress of frequent cartridge replacements, this is one of the more sensible long-term printing solutions available today.